I decided to add a second door to the shop. Now I can walk from my garage to the shop without having to go around the front, which is usually covered in 2 inches of ice. Here's how it turned out, but as you can see there is no insulation, so I will be adding that and putting up some wood paneling. But I was thinking, maybe I could put up some tool storage. And that's what I'm going to do today. I was out walking the dog when I came across about a half a sheet of this foam insulation, so I figured why not use it. Okay, the insulation's done. Now I gotta get the paneling up. I'm using this thin 1/8 inch hardboard for the plywood. It was the cheapest thing I could find. It's been a couple of days since I started this project. You can see I've got my winter coat on, my hat. It is literally 23 degrees below zero in the shop. And I have to start TIG welding this washer onto this little pipe that I've got. At 23 degrees below zero, this TIG welder can barely hold an arc. It's just not working out real well. It feels real good having the tools off the workbench and off the floor, so I know exactly where everything is when I need it. This is probably not the final solution though. I may replace this with a French cleat wall eventually.